teman-teman. Si loading nih anjing. Oh udah guys. Running on autopilot. Ini gua nggak tahu ya. Ini udah mau terakhir apa belum ya? Jadi kita bakal ngetes nih. Gua pakai stick guys. Soal biasanya nggak putus-putus nih stick gua. Mudah-mudahan enggak ya kalau nge-lag ya. Aman kan gua udah nge-lag ya guys. Oh udah aman guys. Running autopilot. Let's go, kayaknya udah terakhir deh guys jadi. Let's go kali ya. Kita live streaming santai aja karena ini gua mau ini doang sih, ngetes doang jatuhnya.
Gwen, I found the entrance to the ship. It's open and there are no guards around. Guess I lucked out.
Iya, ini masuk ke kapalnya alien itu nggak sih yang kemarin ini di video gua yang udah gede itu?
I'm losing you. Must be interference from the ship.
Ben, don't go in.
Sorry, Gwen. I can't hear you. I'm going in. I'll contact
Udah
you as soon
dibilang
as I can.
don't go,
All
jangan
I have to do is
masuk
find the
lah,
autopilot
kocak.
controls,
Ini malah masuk kan lucu.
activate them, and get out before the ship takes off. Piece of cake.
Oh shit. Oh pasti di sini ada alien. Gak mungkin sih, tempatnya terlalu luas guys. Oh shit. Minggir, bisa minggir lah. Weh itu Wah anjir keselin banget. Kenapa jadi beringas gini bro? Wah ini sih gak asik sih. Sumpah. Kenapa jadi ribet baco? Spider Monkey sih. Ah ini ngeselin banget dah. Satu kita bantai dulu dah. Ini ngeselin sih guys. Ini disuruh ngapain guys? Anjir gak kena cok. Wah ini sih. Ntar guys itu ke atas suruh ngapain aja. Sumpah ini gak ada inian bro. Ijo-ijo. Suruh ngapain guys? Pakai ini ya. Oh. Sumpah gak enak banget sih yang itu. Males gue. Spider Monkey sih. Oh shit. Wih. Hampir aja.
That panel looks like it's linked to the autopilot system.
Suruh ngapain guys ini?
Large and in charge.
Apa dibekuin? Ntar guys, ini gue curiga soalnya.
Everybody freeze. I always wanted to say that.
Ini nggak bisa anjing. Gimana ya? Oh alam cat bulat anjing.
I know this switch is connected to the autopilot system. There must be a series of these switches throughout the
Ini
ship.
band udah mulai ada
Guess I'll
teka-tekinya
have
nih
to
gue
find and
liat-liat nih.
activate all of them before I can get this ship to move.
Spider monkey.
Sini maju. Diam. Apaan sih masih ada? Sini lu maju. Masih ada. Tadi masih ada, Cok. Lah, itu apaan, guys?
Into my parlor.
Ini ku pecahin aja anjing. Coba deh pakai ini deh. Kita give a try lah ya. Cowboy apa aja sih, gue lupa guys. Oh, ini udah semua ya. Cuman ya bete aja gitu. Dia kombonya nggak bisa berbuat banyak. Tuh, makanya males banget kok pakai. Ya elah, lama banget lagi. Kok ini tertutup ya guys? Enggak kan? Ada yang kelewatan kah? Dah. Alah, harus ke tengah gitu, lebay banget. Kiri dulu kah guys? Gak bisa. Oh shit. Nah, mendingan ini dah. Risik kamu ya. Diam kamu. Anjir, mati bro. Gak bisa berbuat apa-apa lu. Oh shit. Bener ke situ lagi guys. Kita harus pakai ini nih. Ah shit, pas banget gua. Kombonya apa sih, gue lupa. Segitiga kotak bulat ya. Anjir, keren banget sumpah. Keren banget sumpah. Males pakai itu. Pasti ada sesuatu di sini. Apaan sih? Wah, gila. Woi bro, sumpah nggak enak banget guys.
Nobody makes a monkey out of me.
Haha, you're gonna die bro. Ini kemana dulu nih?
Monkey punch.
Pasti ada sesuatu di sini. Kan bener. Itu dia. My boy. Oh, dibalik lagi, Cok. Terus pasti ada musuh di sini. Ya gak sih? Oh, gak ada guys. Aman. I know that. Ah, wait. Ngeselin banget anjing. Wah, apaan tuh? Weh, lu bisa minggir gak anjing? Gila lu pada nggak bisa minggir lu ya, gue liat-liat. Seruan ini sih kayaknya. Oh shit, I know that. Pantat gue dituit. Mati dong harusnya. Bodo amat, gue berubah-berubah, yang penting masuk terus guys. Terus ngapain ini gue? Gila, ditransfer lo jadi data gue. Aduh, salah lagi. Oh, Spider Monkey. Wah, ada. Gonna die.
You know.
Kenapa darah semua isinya anjing? Oh shit.
What a tangled web I weave.
Haha, you're gonna die. Wah, goblok banget dah. Si jatuh ternyata guys. Hati-hati. Wow.
Oh, don't you monkey with the monkey.
Don't you monkey without monkey. Alah.
Hands off.
Sombong banget lu. Gak bisa guys, dihancurin gila. Diam. 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 Diam.
Nobody makes a monkey out of me.
Bisa diem gak sih lu pada? Diem lah. Oh shit. Kira dia berguna juga. Aduh guys, ada itu lagi. Ambil dulu kali ya.
May the best flying red alien win.
Dapat bro.
Time for a cool change.
Terus? Pinggir sini, coba kita pakai ini. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wow. Kita bantai dulu kayak gini nih. Wah anjir, emang susah guys. Wah anjir deh, emang tuh. Diam kamu, diam. Diam kamu. Kamu mati bro. Oh, gue tahu caranya sekarang guys. Ini nggak bisa dihancurin. Apa yang terjadi kalau kita masuk guys? Hah? Hah, emang kesini guys?
Too slow.
Oh, nggak boleh kena.
Jet ray.
Apaan sih? Aduh, gimana guys maksudnya? Oh, ek tuh ini toh. Ternyata dia bisa terbang. Anjir. Sahabat guys. Ayo gulangnya jauh banget lagi, Cok. Ah, apaan sih? Sumpah dah.
Jet ray.
Ayo naik BG. Woi, bro. Ya apaan sih? Guys, sumpah guys, gak bisa turun gue. Oh shit. Aduh, gak bisa lagi guys. Lewatnya gimana ya? Goblok, sumpah.
Jet
Harusnya gue gak lewat situ kali ya. Woi, bro, apaan sih? Ya sejam guys, lewat segini aja sejam aja. Oh begini berarti cara turunnya guys. Itu dikit lagi anjir.
Jet ray.
Sumpah dah. Ayo bos. Bos. Hey, come on, be. Ya, gak dapet guys. Dah, ini kemana guys? Oh shit, males banget gue kayak gini-gini. Tolong teman-teman. Untung ulangnya di sini anjing.
You can.
Goblok anjing, gimana ya? Balik lagi anjing. Aduh, ribet banget dah. Sumpah guys, gak bisa gua anjing. Aduh, gak bisa sih. Harusnya logikanya juga kesetrum monyet. Kenapa lu gini? Aduh, guys, taruh lor kuning guys. Tolong ya. Jangan kasar-kasar kalau ngomong, Jun. Cepat. Ay, I'm the best that ever was. Yalah, keluarnya sini lagi, Cok. Si anjing emang.
I'll bet those 3 pipes are heating that pool of water.
Hitting. Serius lo. Wih, spelling monkey nih. Ntar guys, gue kepo dulu ya. Apaan sih guys? Ntar dulu dah. Ini tuh ke mana guys? Oh, kesini dulu emang harus. Oh, emang nggak bisa guys, emang harus ke atas dulu.
I'll bet those 3 pipes are heating that pool of water.
Oh, itu harus ditembak gak? Oh gitu guys, ternyata elah. Gitu bro, susah banget lu dari tadi. Gila, ini lama banget guys, gue liat-liat. Aduh, gila, mentala kesini anjir. Coba chat, sumpah. Ini ngeselin banget deh. Sabar ya guys, pelan-pelan aja. Ini emang anjing sih trik-trik yang kayak gini nih. Wih, bagus. Ya, lompatnya ke situ dong, Bang. Sumpah, lompatnya gak ke situ. Aduh. Sumpah. Bisa gak sih lompat? Oh, lompatnya turun ke bawah anjir. Sabar ya guys ya. Ini orang tolol dia lagi bermain. Lama jalannya anjir. Ini saatnya. Ini saatnya. Ini saatnya. Kamu meh. Asik, lewat deh. Lah. Aduh, gak kelihatan lagi guys. Tadi dulu ini polanya gimana nih? Oke. Oh, Komomi. Ah! Aduh, jatuhnya ke situ, Peter banget. Wah, anjing sih ini, guys, sumpah. Wah, tai emang. Ngeselin sih ini, guys, sumpah. Sabar, Jun, sabar. Tolong ya ini ya, dibantu Pak. Ah, apa sih? Kenapa jatuhnya ke situ? Kebomen. Sumpah anjir. Kameranya juga nggak enakin bro. Ah, goblok kena lagi. Kocak dah ini. Kameranya juga bikin dramatis gitu sih anjir. Ayo, ayo. Oh tidak. Ah, bagus jatuhnya ke situ. Mampus. Hoki.
Oh, don't you monkey with the monkey.
Haha, alhamdulillah masuk ke situ. Aduh, ini pakai apa guys? Ini. Apaan ini guys? Apa sih? Woi guys.
Catch me if you can.
Ah, anjir ya gini nih. Lu bisa diem gak? Ah. Seru juga guys. Nah lu semua lu. Ah, you're gonna die. Ke atas. Kesini lagi. Oh, Maiwa, mau si Deru. Tolong ajar kayak gini caranya, bro. Sini maju.
Time for me.
Itu dia kesukaan gue. dapat guys, sumpah. Ih, ada apa nih tuh? Ah, ini dia nih guys nih. Gak kena bro. Gak ada kena aja. Kaget banget gua. Sini lu, maju lu. Habis. Takut, gua takut.
The best you can do.
Sini lu, maju lu, maju lu, maju lu, maju lu, maju lu. Haha, you're gonna die bro. Combo lagi asik nih guys. Wow, 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 anjir. Ini terlalu cepet guys. Ah. Aduh. Tadi berhasil tuh gue.
Catch me if you can. Let's get this show off the road.
Aduh deh. Aduh buat kebiasaan nih bro. Ayolah bro, aku mau be. Oh selamat anjir. Gokil. Oh shit. Alah. Sini lu, maju lu. Sini maju. Kita combo. Jatuh anjir. Kotaknya gak kelihatan lagi. Apaan sih goblok dah. Kocak. Oh sini guys. Ah elah. Wait. Lah.
I've got to get these pistons moving somehow.
Oh alah, ke bawah anjir. Lah, setak anjing. Oh nggak bisa guys ternyata. Kaget gua kira setak. Oh di sini pasti ada sesuatu lagi gitu. Oh nggak bisa kan? Ini harus sekali jalan guys.
This show off the road.
Aduh nggak bisa, gimana caranya? Penting itu udah gua ambil ya. Oh ini spider monkey.
Time for a little monkey business.
Monkey business aja. Istirahat dulu, istirahat dulu. Apaan sih? Lah, dari sini ngulangnya, Cok.
Show off the road.
Langsung mati lagi.
Time for a little monkey business.
Let's get this show off the road.
Ah, nggak bisa guys, nggak bisa anjir, nggak bisa gitu.
Let's get this show off the road.
Goblok. Baik lagi gitu, Cok.
May the best fireman alien win.
Aduh, nggak dapet, coy. Aduh, apaan sih? Bisa nggak kita lompatin? Gak dapet guys, gue mau lompatin. Kok jadi cupu? Kok jadi cupu?
Time for a little monkey business.
Gue pengen ngambil di sini, bisa gak sih? Baik. Anjir tuh itunya tuh.
May the best flying red alien win.
Wait, istirahat dulu, istirahat dulu. Gila, cukup banget gue nggak bisa kayak gitu. Oh shit, tolonglah. Lompat-lompat kayak gini tuh susah bos.
Sorry to cause such a flap.
Sinilah. Aduh. Kaget gue guys. Please jangan jatuh ya, Jetray. Ngeribat pakai Jetray pak, kecepatan. udah. Oke, aman deh. Ntar ambil dulu, siapa tahu ada sesuatu di sini. Gak ada lagi. Sial. Kira ada sesuatu, guys. Apa nih? Ayo dong, bosnya mana nih? Ini kayaknya udah mau bos deh, guys. Oh shit. Kedinginan.
Wow, I thought the rest of the ship was cold. Those heat exchanger columns must keep the hot air out. That's why it's so cold in here. The hybrid are weakened by heat.
Oh, kalau
Well, at least nobody's
hewan-hewan
home.
di bumi
I
kan
can just
pada
activate
ini ya,
the last of the
butuh
autopilot
kehangatan
panels
ya.
and be on my
Kalau
way.
alien itu butuh
And those
kedinginan ya,
panels
karena
must
di
be
luar bumi
on the
pada
ceiling.
dingin ya.
Guess I have to start thinking in zero gravity terms. Maybe that switch does something that allows the crew to get to those ceiling controls.
Yah, dibuka.
You! So it is you who has been tampering with our vessel. The impure creatures of this planet cause much trouble for such an obviously inferior race.
Press and
And you,
Benjamin
Ben
Tennyson.
Tennyson, are the most troublesome of all.
Yeah, that's what all my teachers used to say when I was a kid. But I'm pretty likable once you get to know me.
Insolent creature, you shall pay the price for meddling in the affairs of superior beings.
Wah, ngelawan,
Find a way
bos.
to expose the hybrid to heat. It might slow him down.
Catch me if you can.
Oh, nggak gitu, guys, nggak gitu, guys.
And still,
There's no way I can defeat this guy. I just have to fight him off long enough to activate all the
Oh shit, oh
autopilot
shit, oh
panels.
shit, oh shit. Aduh, kayaknya gue boros deh, guys.
vermin, you will pay for your insolence. Must stabilize temperature. Do not activate that control. You cannot escape me.
Ini disuruh ngapain sih, guys?
Stand still.
I'll just monkey around for a while. What a tangled web I weave.
I will destroy you.
I am gonna go ape on you.
Alah, alah.
All lower life forms will be crushed by the hybrid.
Apaan sih?
Humankind will fall before the hybrid.
Oh, ini harus dihancurin gak sih?
Do not activate that control. You cannot escape me.
guys. Oh. Apa tuh guys?
Humankind will fall before the hybrid. No, don't touch that. You cannot escape me. Inferior scum. No, don't touch that! Get him! All lower life forms will be crushed by the hybrid.
Time for a little monkey business.
Weak, pathetic insect! No, don't touch that!
Haha.
You will pay for this!
Anjir susah banget, Cok. Ini bisa kasih dari ini guys. Ini guys, kita hancurin dari dulu guys.
Let's get this show off the road.
No, don't touch that! You cannot succeed! Stand still! Arrogant maggot! You cannot thwart our plan!
Set Ray!
Diapain lagi
We're
gua?
out of here. And as soon as you are, that weather array is offline. Permanently.
Harusnya cairannya gua habisin dulu ya tadi.
To prove the inferiority of your species. Removing this vessel from the circuitry grid does not deactivate the weather array. The ship's departure initiates the startup sequence.
Wah, terbang.
Oh boy.
You see, you might have said like our plans the last time we encountered you. But this
Kena jebakan
time,
kah?
it is you who have set our plans in motion. You gathered the components needed for our weather array, and you made sure the array was activated in a timely manner. And now, you will watch
Serius,
as
berubah dulu lah.
slowly freeze to death as our weather array makes this portion of your planet suitable for habitation by the one true race.
Dibuang. Ya, terus kita keluar angkasa, belum tamat deh.
Oh no. What have I done? I've got to get over to the weather array and help Gwen and Kevin destroy that
Itu bisa terbang ya? Kita kok nggak bisa terbang? Bentar, gue mau kencing dulu ya. Lobet lagi, gue mau ini guys. Mau apa namanya? Mau ngeliat. Instant rank attack. Aduh, dia ribet dah. Headsetku. Kalau ini ngomong ya guys, suaranya. Soalnya gua nggak bisa ngeliat. Lagi satu lagi lobet. Jadi gak bisa cekin gue. Ntar dulu ya, bentar. A change in the weather. Kayak seru ya. Soalnya dulu gua mainnya di rental tuh cuman yang Protector of Earth doang guys. Itu juga nggak tamat kan. Ini mudah-mudahan lagi hujan nih tempat gua, mudah-mudahan kagak error lah ya streamingnya. Ini banyak notif dah, gua gedek banget dah. Ntar sambil nyantai aja kan, ngopi. Ini kan streaming pagi-pagi kan, kayak orang gak jelas gua. Kok back sih? Butuh grinding guys. Kok kayak dari tadi kagak naik-naik ya?
I think it's a trap. Ben, don't go into that ship alone.
Sorry, Gwen. I can't hear you.
Oh iya, karena udah penuh ya.
Contact you as soon as I can.
Ben! Kevin, we have to go and help him.
I don't know if that's such a hot idea. I think that
Ini kayak
thing is
film ini
almost
tahu,
at full power.
Warship
We
tau
go
gak lo
help
yang
Ben now, we'll never get
kapal
back in
perang
time to
Amerika
stop it.
That's
hancurin
probably the control room floating up above the
radio
array.
kontrol alien.
I don't see
Keren
any way to
aja.
get up there. What should we do?
Go after the towers, I guess. Looks like there's a force field protecting each one. We'll split up, divide and conquer. I'll head out to the east and you head west. We'll circle the closest tower, take
Alhamdulillah.
out whatever equipment that generates the force field, and we'll meet on the other side.
I hope Ben will be all right.
Don't worry, he can take care of himself. He's pretty tough. And if you ever tell him I said that, I'll deny it. Come on, let's get going.
Duh, biasa nih pagi-pagi pilek. Alhamdulillah. Oh shit. Ya elah.
Try this on for size. You're not so tough. Okay, now you're in trouble.
Kayu mah kelemahannya ya. Kelemahannya Kevin anjing. Kevin di sini orang baik ternyata kan. Lu bisa diem gak? Gue mau ngambil lagi guys. Ya habis anjir. Ada metal. Ini harus cepet-cepet isi ulang anjir.
How about you fight back next time?
Diapain ini guys?
Nothing to it.
Ayo tembakin cok. Aduh kena.
You are what you touch, or at least I am.
Kita ambil dulu seperti biasa. Aduh, ada apa tuh?
Kicking butt and taking names.
Ambil batu dong. Bro, come on, bro.
Okay, now you're in trouble. Try
Faida.
this on for size. You are what you touch.
Let's go.
Or at least I am. Is that all you got?
Aduh. Diam, bisa diam nggak?
Okay, now you're in trouble.
Diam.
You are what you touch, or at least I am.
Haha, menang.
Okay, Gwen, I took out all the generators.
Kenapa sih
and
internet,
the
guys?
turrets and the guards that were protecting them. I'm heading to the rendezvous point.
I've been better.
Aduh.
Catch up now. I've got company. Be there as soon as I can. Feel safer already. compendium. I'll have it stick. Let's see you get through this.
Ah, ini yang ngeselin nih. Sabar guys, sabar guys. Let's go guys. Oh shit.
That's more like it.
Diam, bisa diam gak sih?
Let's see you get through this.
Diam. Wih,
I feel safer already.
wih guys.
That I feel safer already.
Oh shit, oh shit. Wah. Aduh. Ya mati guys. Ya, aduh, itu dia tuh yang keselin tuh. Buset. Oh shit.
Let's see you get through this.
Diam. Aduh, apa sih?
That's what I like it.
Alhamdulillah.
I won't teach you to mess with the black belt. Let's see you get through this.
Maju lu sini lu. Sini maju maju maju. Dulu guys.
I feel safer already.
Diam. Aduh, ada ya.
I'm tougher than I look.
Oh shit. Ah, gak dapet lagi guys. Sorry bro. I'm the best that ever was. Iya bener, kayak warship ya.
You okay?
Fine. Looks like we took out the force field on Tower 1.
Yeah, and I still don't see any way to get to that control room.
Me neither. If we can't get inside, how do we stop this thing?
We
Stop
could
this
try to
thing,
take
you
out
know?
the tower, now that the force field is down. Maybe.
No way. Even with our combined powers, we can't destroy that thing. It's just too big.
Did someone say
Dah, ini mah.
About time you got here. We were starting to think we'd have to do all
Ini si
the
Ben ya?
work around
Itu
here.
kok keren sih?
You have to hurry. If you
Ada
don't
jam
destroy
bola,
those
guys.
towers soon, I don't know if we'll be able to reverse the damage.
Kok pas kita berubah enggak ya?
I got this covered.
Aduh, gak dapet lagi guys. Ih, bisa lewat sini aja. Aduh, ini nggak kelihatan, tai. Kayaknya gak enak deh pakai ini guys. Aduh gak bisa lagi, harus pakai ini. Hah? Gak bisa berubah guys. Terus gue harus ke walah bulat anjir. Ben, yang gak usah jadi yang gede.
You'll have to take out the shield generators before you can get onto the second tower.
Ini lo maju. Pajetra ya guys. Ini deh gue belum pernah pakai.
Today's forecast? Cold. Ice.
Wah. Gokil.
If you
Udah,
can only
bos.
pick the right form, you might see a ray of hope.
Ray. Aku mendengar Ray. Udah kali bro. Wait, bahaya guys. Aduh.
That the best you can do?
Wih, guys, come on guys.
Time to fly.
Wih, guys. Ini maju. Aduh.
Sorry to cause such a flap.
Diam, kamu diam.
Can't catch me.
Masih ada anjir. Guys, masih ada itu.
Watch out for those turrets, take down that tower.
Wah. Wah, nggak bisa guys, kesetrum guys. Wow, nggak bisa guys.
Watch out for those turrets, Denison. If we fix them, we'll check out on the ground. You'll have to destroy all of them to take down that tower.
Oh, di sini ya. Apaan nih? Oh, ada ginian guys. Baru tahu gue. Hey. Kamu Mi? Lu diem dah. Ntar guys. Oke, di sana ya. Aduh, ya jatuh lagi bangke. Gak bisa berubah sih anjir. Wait, hampir aja. Wah, apaan sih? Jatuh lagi dah gua. Ah, goblok anjir, sumpah dah. Kegedean bangke. Sumpah kegedean, Pak. Tai. Singkat gue di sini dah. Diam. Aduh, kena, Cok. Ah, iya, bahaya, gak bisa. Guys. Gak boleh buang-buang waktu berarti, darahnya kayak tai anjing. Ye, kamu nembakin aku ya. Please. Kita main aman aja lah anjing, ngeri banget. Bisa hilang ya? Ayo guys, cepetan guys. Goblok anjing. Ya, guys, sumpah. Aduh, di situ lagi, guys. Aduh. Ya anjing. Wah, di sini lagi. Susah banget ya. Masalahnya ini lemot banget, guys. Ah, pas. Bagus di atas. Goblok anjir. Ke bawah, be. Ah, susah banget ya.
Watch out for those turrets.
Susah banget, guys, asli.
Check out on the ground. You'll have to destroy all of them to take down that tower.
Lah, tadi hancur dah, guys. Kenapa sekarang nggak hancur ya? Apaan sih? Kenapa itu, guys? Aduh. Aduh, di situ lagi. Ah, apa sih? Kenapa itu? Weh, Ben, pakai spider monkey sumpah. You send go, Ben. Sumpah, Ben. Aduh, di situ lagi, bangke. Tolol. Gila, selamat guys. Gila. Ini dolar kuning sih pasti. Bodoh amat lah.
Same deal as before. Knock out those generators so you can tear down.
Feeling a little swamped.
Wah, ini sih ngeselin ya guys. Diam.
Or did it just get chilly? Oh.
Maju lu. I'm not afraid, you know. Oh shit. Oh, ada gini ya ternyata guys. Dia try kah? Aduh, apaan sih? Ih, masih ada loh. You're gonna die, bro. Ini sangat tidak enak, bro. Ya, jatuh anjing. Apaan sih kok tiba-tiba gua di situ anjing? Mati lu anjing. Wah, ini sih gak bagus ya guys. Ngebak anjing. Ah, parah ngebak guys, ngebak. Ngebak. Dah. Bisa nggak save guys? Gue baru tahu fiturnya bangke. Wah, ulang dong guys. Coba kita save. Coba gue kepo guys. gimana sih?
Did you hear me?
Ya ngulang dong bangke. Gimana cara ngelotnya ya? Ya, tai, ngulang lagi dong. Ya guys, ngulang lagi nih mah anjing. Ya guys, sabar ya. Bangke ngulang lagi. Ngebak. Tadi dulu lagi kita ngerot sekali dulu kali ya.
Did you hear me? I think it's a trap. Ben, don't go into that ship alone.
Sorry, Gwen. I can't hear you. I'm going in. I'll contact you as soon as I can.
Ben! Ben! Kevin, we have to go and help him.
I don't know if that's such a hot idea. I think that thing is almost at full power. If we go and help Ben now, we'll never get back in time to stop it.
That's probably the control room floating up above the array. I don't see any way to get up there. What should we do?
Go after the towers, I guess. Looks like there's a force field protecting each one. We'll split up, divide and conquer. I'll head out to the east and you head west. We'll circle the closest tower, take out whatever equipment that generates the force field, and we'll meet on the other side.
I hope Ben will be all right.
Don't worry, he can take care of himself. He's pretty tough. And if you ever tell him I said that, I'll deny it. Come on, let's get going.
Tadi dulu guys. Lelah hati ini anjing. Inginkan dia aja. Capek gue. Inilah majulah lu. Gini. Ntar guys, biar kedengeran.
How about you fight back next time?
Diem nggak? Diam. Isi ulang dulu, bos.
Nothing to it.
Diam, bisa diam nggak? Guys, bahaya guys. Diam.
Kicking butt and taking names.
Sini lo.
Okay, now you're in trouble.
Ini udah hancur kan ya? Udah guys. Apa? Ntar dulu, aduh ribet banget. Dynamic juga ah. Santai santai Jun, santai. Be calm, be happy, you know. Ini auto save ini aja kali ya. Kita save dulu. Paling ngeri guys. Ini udah gua ambil kan. Ambil batu. Diam, lu bisa pada diam gak? Gas.
You are what you touch, or at least I am.
You are what you touch.
Is that all you got?
Diam, lu bisa diam gak?
Try this on for size. Too easy.
Ini lu maju. Bisa diem gak sih lu pada?
You're not so tough. You are what you touch, or at least I am.
Sini maju.
Nothing to it.
Alah, kena lagi. Sini maju lo.
Okay, Gwen, I took out all the generators.
Wah, kudu
and the
di-save sih
turrets
guys
and the
ini.
guards that were protecting them. I'm heading to the rendezvous point.
How are you doing?
Wah, siksaan gua terulang lagi nih
Remember,
pakai
can't
yang
talk
gede
now.
tadi.
I've got company. Be there as soon as I can.
Isi dulu, isi dulu. Pelan-pelan aja.
You guys are just plain unlucky. Let's see you get through this.
Nih. Gas.
That's more like it. Duro Descendant. That'll stay hard. I feel safer already. That's more like it.
Sini lo, maju lo. Save dulu kali ya.
Let's see you get through this. That'll teach you to mess with a black belt.
Oke. Nunggu penuh dulu. Aduh, pilek banget. Alhamdulillah.
I feel safer already. look. Let's see you get through this.
Sini lu maju. Aduh, aduh, aduh. Susah banget ya pakai karakter selain Ben ini. Ini bisa nge-save di sini, bisa nge-load di sini gak sih? Udah. Aduh guys, ini kemana ya? Oh, ke sini. Please jangan macem-macem loh. Save dulu guys. Di sini adalah neraka kita sebenarnya.
You'll have to take out the shield generators before you can get onto the second tower.
You can do. Sorry to cause such a...
If you could only pick the right form, you might see a ray of hope.
Apaan sih?
Can't catch me!
only have eyes for you.
Wah, parah. Jadi lu maju. Gak kena lagi. Jetroy. Sorry bro. Haha, is not bad. Save dulu guys, biar gak ngeselin gitu loh.
Watch out for those monsters. They're way bigger than the ones we took out on the ground. You'll have to destroy all of them.
Aduh, itu di mana ya? Udah di save gak sih? Save dulu kali ya. Bisa di load gak sih guys? Gue bingung. Walah. Tadi ada satu lagi deh guys. Guys. Apaan sih? Weh. Ih, jatuh, Cok.
Watch out for those monsters. They're way bigger than the ones we took out on the ground. You'll have to destroy all of them to take down that tower.
Aduh, apaan sih? Oh, nggak gitu guys.
They're way bigger than the ones we took out on the ground. You'll have to destroy all of them to take down that tower.
Please, gue butuh darah sih. Apa sih? Wah, gak bisa guys, gak bisa guys, gak bisa guys. Kok jadi susah gini? Apaan sih, susah banget dah.
Big trouble.
Oh, ini bisa dihancurin gak sih guys? Tahan dulu guys. Nah, gue kepo, gue kepo. Oh, gak bisa. Bisa. Aduh. Ah, gak bisa. Oh, bisa kok dihancurin, anjir. Tiba-tiba gua jatuh aja. Please. Itu buat ngambil darah ya? Oh, bisa diserang juga dari sini. Bisa kok guys, kalem lah kalau kayak gitu. Gue baru tahu bisa. Kalau kayak gitu mah gue bantai aja ya kan. Apa sih? Gak jelas banget. Kena lu gua. Sial. Gak bisa guys, ambil darah dulu. Ada master. Udah, ayo. Apa sih? Kita hancurin dulu aja ya, sabar. Ini demi kemaslahatan umat. Mati dia guys. Sini ya. Aha. Sini ya guys. Hah, syukur lu. Udah skip ya.
Same deal as before. Knock out those generators so you can tear down that third tower.
Ah, shit. Wah, ini gak asik sih.
Time for a cool change.
Haha, you're gonna die, bro. Bentar. Wih, kaget gua. Aku curiga ada di sini. You know that. Oh iya, belum di save guys, bahaya. Rentan ngebug, bos. Ooh, I know that.
Getting cold.
You can't do that now.
You can do that now. Udah kan? Ini lagi guys. Save dulu lah. Lah kenapa begitu ya guys ya? Rada gelap gitu. Oh shit, kita harus hancurkan ini dulu guys. Udah lagi emang. Udah dong, habis. Ah, apaan sih? Gak bisa. Ada monster lagi guys ya, kecil. Butuh darah gue. Aduh. Ah, goblok. Aduh, aduh. Ah, itu yang susah tuh guys.
Head and shoulders above the rest.
Wah, turun ke bawah dulu guys sih. Kita cari darah dulu guys. Main kalem aja. Ah, kurang. Ini habis nih populasi. Oh, ini gak bisa habis. Apa habis ya? Ah, udah deh gua. Ini hancurin deh biar enak. Biar enak guys. Ntar dulu. Aduh. Aduh, susah banget sih anjir. Anjir, tinggal 2 populasinya guys. Kita harus mengamankan itu. Wait, gak kena bro. Sorry bro. You're gonna die bro. Wah, ini udah banyak banget ya, sumpah. Aduh, gak hancur anjing.
I'm reading a lot more power in the turret than Tower 3. Be careful.
Apa sih guys, kok gak hancur ya? Injek satu dulu. Injek lagi berarti. Dapat. Please jangan dihancurin ya. Populasi lu semakin buruk. di situ lagi. Susah banget sih di situ ya. Kok nggak hancur sih guys? Kok nggak hancur ya? Susah banget, sumpah. Oh, hancur loh guys, digituin ternyata. Ya goblok. Sabar. Hancur loh kok guys. Yang takut gak takut. Di kudu di save gak sih? Save dulu kali ya. Gua belum pernah ngeload sih. Coba deh udah. Wah, jatuh. Aduh, susah banget. Sampai jago gue ngeloncat, gila. Apa sih? Si tolol ini deh. Aduh, populasi di bawah habis lagi. Aduh, gak. Waktunya gak pas. Apa sih? Maunya apa? Satu, dua. Guys, ini mau main save state gak sih? Ya sih kalau main save state guys. Wah gila ya. Aduh. Gak bisa guys. Kita harus ambil ini kah? Monster mana nih? Populasi udah menipis gitu. Tolol. Oh, di situ ya. Apaan sih, bro? Tolonglah, bro. Kemome. It's too hard, man. Normal ini. Guys, ini harus kita lompatin guys. Satu, let's go. Hancur satu. Turun dulu ke kalem guys. Ambil darah dulu ya kan. 2. Cukup gak sih? Cukup lah ya. Jangan dihancurin nih monsternya nih. Oh shit. Please jangan mati dulu ya pada ya. Sabar guys. Ah, apa sih? Kebo guys, kebo. Sabar guys, sabar guys. Sabar, kayak gini tuh harus main sabar ya, telaten. Biasa main RPG, mainnya beginian guys, sotoy. Sampai kalem, sabar, waktu masih banyak, Belanda masih jauh bro. Kalem ya kan, cicil dulu ya kan. Oh shit, bisa ditahan gak sih? Akhirnya ya Allah. Akhirnya runtuh juga, runtuh.
I guess that's it. Piece of cake.
Piece
Not
of
so
cake
fast,
matamu.
Harrison. Looks like the control room is still up and running. Well, not as up as it used to be, but
Susah gile.
We need to make sure none of this tech gets into the wrong hands.
I should be able to access the shutdown sequence from here.
why don't you let Gwen take care of that? She's good at that
Okay.
stuff. And you're like, nah.
Terus kayak roketnya yang terbang ke luar bumi gimana itu?
Got it. There.
Whoa. What's that?
Alhamdulillah.
No idea. Maybe if I...
Sorry guys, bersihin gue.
Oh.
Told you should have let Gwen do it.
Guys? I think we need to get out of here now.
Meledak ya?
Well, at least we don't have to worry about getting the alien tech. What say we call it a day and go grab some smoothies?
So,
Udah.
what do you think the hybrid are up to? They had their DNA aliens crawling all over this place.
Wah, kalau Amerika kayak
I'd
begini
say
sih
we
masih
got
ada
them on the
lanjutannya
run
nih kayak.
now.
Tuh kan.
This place was probably their main base on Earth.
I don't think so. We need to keep our eyes open. I think this is just the beginning.
Udah dicek
Whatever
dulu
the
ya.
hybrid are planning, I have a feeling it's something really big.
Weh, tamat bro. Copyright gak sih? Tererereu. Ini agak lama sih, berapa jam ya? Kira-kira ya, total semua ya. Karena gue tolol itu jatuh-jatuh. Musiknya gak ada gitu doang, Pak. Auto save terus disable when the select progress. Save lah. Terus masih ada, guys. Gue special ability learn. Glad psychic platform. Gimana sih, guys? Udah tamat kan, guys? Udah tamat dong. Ya, berarti kita bisa akhiri Alien Forces sampai sini dulu, teman-teman. Itu berapa episode doang tuh, guys? Berapa kali gue streaming? Streaming, bikin video sama streaming sih jatuhnya. Oke, berarti segitu dulu aja streaming kali ini. Nanti gue lanjutin lagi ya kalau misalkan nyantai lagi. Terima kasih yang sudah mampir. Sampai jumpa di streaming berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.